everyone, welcome back to the Confident Dancers channel, and if you're new here, my name is B-Girl Mel and I teach hip-hop dance online. In this video, you're gonna do a 10-minute follow-along series learning moves from the Cali Swag Era. This video is flipped and mirrored so that when you watch this video, you can follow it along as if you're following through a mirror. Before we get started, if you're serious about leveling up your hip-hop dance, building the confidence you truly want, and wanna work with me directly, click on the link below for a free consultation call. All right, let's get into it.
Fresh like Dougie, 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 fresh like.
Okay, take a look at my swagger. So on point, feeling sharp as a dagger. When it come to fresh look, homie, I'm a bad chain round my make you haters upset. Bad boy like my homeboy Puffy. Skinny jeans on, feeling
Fresh like Dougie.
Came so ugly, but the flow so lovely. God on my side, so you lames can't touch me. Stones in my wrist make you haters wanna freeze. Feeling so blessed that I just might sneeze. Not Wu-Tang, but I'm all about cream. So you ain't gotta guess why my favorite color green. Man, I got colors like a box of Fruit Loops. If you ain't fresh, we ain't talking about you. Do the reject in the middle of the mall. Steve's on deck, make your girlfriend pause.
Fresh like Dougie, 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 fresh like
what you want. No lines, we just walk up to the front. 30 girls in my flavor of the month. Evil Knievel, cause you know I got a stunt. It's showtime. So what you need? You wanna bang boogie with a freak? Pop bottles at my table to the beat. You better give me what I need.
Me and you, take it to the room. We can blast off, take it to the moon. We can wild out, take it to the zoo. All I wanna do is zoom. You and me in the backseat, bass in the trunk. You remind me of my G. Bass hang low all the way to your feet. All I wanna do is beat.
All I want is bass. 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 All I want is
still mine. She say I'm so so fresh like Dougie in the mall with the brodies. All the girls raving like they already know me. I swear I pop tags, Louis belt, Louis glasses. Only stay with models, never slipping with a ratchet. I'm fresh like Dougie, Dougie. Now watch me hear my Dougie, Dougie, Dougie. I'm fresh like Dougie, Dougie, Dougie. Now watch me hear my Dougie, Dougie, Dougie. Hey, I'm so clean, get your swag up. Big money, make it rain, get your cash up. She be on my Dougie, something like jewelry, cause all the girls love me. She say I'm hot, but my attitude chill. And I'm feeling pretty fine, but my flow too ill. I won't aim back if your attitude ugly. Your homegirl straight, but you fresh like Dougie. Fresh like she sounds so fresh. She sounds so fresh. Hey, fresh like hey, fresh like so fresh. She sounds so fresh like still mine. She sounds so fresh. She sounds so fly. She say I'm so fresh. She say I'm so fly. Even though it's hers, that's still mine. She say I'm so fresh. She say I'm so fly. Even though it's hers, that's still mine. I'm fresh like Dougie, Dougie, Dougie. Now watch me hit my Dougie, Dougie, Dougie. I'm fresh like Dougie, Dougie, Dougie. Now watch me hit my Dougie, Dougie, Dougie. Hey, your girlfriend straight with this. Like a baseball, she really tryna hit this. It's gonna take a lot of guap just to get this. And I swear this a hit you can't miss this. She say I'm hot, but my attitude chill. And I'm feeling pretty fine, but my flow too ill. I won't aim back if your attitude ugly. Your homegirl straight, but you fresh like Dougie. She sounds so fresh. She sounds so fresh. Hey, hey, hey. She sounds so fresh. She sounds so fresh.
Sorry,
You got ass and shake that. You got ass and shake that. You got ass and shake that. You got ass and shake that.
She fuck it up, got me dancing on the butt. She fuck it up, she the baddest in the club. She fuck it up, got me dancing on the butt. She fuck it up, so I tell them if you got ass to shake that. 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 Then drop it, bring it back.
If you got back, then bring it back. And if you bad, you can make it clap. I love my lap, snap back, turned around. Lil' mama touching the ground. Like carrying the fist of brawl, made it rain, the bitch drown. Now she on my balls, caught all the rebounds. Got me feeling like a hound, sniffing for kitty I found. Attracting all the women with them big old booties. No time for no games, and I'm supposed to be a rookie. Switching in them heels, make a nigga wanna heal. I'm a dog staring at ass till my paws get a feel. Shout it, what's the dilly? These niggas can't get with me with my 20s and them 50s. Yeah, sitting on them titties, right? Take a bow. And all these niggas looking like really wow. He getting to the money, it's funny. These other women is really attracted to me. Now I'm denying ratchets and steady stacking this money.
She fuck it up, she fuck it up, got me dancing on the butt. She fuck it up, she the baddest in the club. She fuck it up, got me dancing on the butt. She fuck it up, so I tell them if you got ass to shake that. 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 Then drop it, bring it back.
What it do? What it do? Turned up with the crew. You get too dumb down if you are turned down. So many baddies around, pass them around. We buzzing now, we the talk of the town. I walk around and see booties go up and down. I look around, I spy, come and talk now.
She fuck it up, got me dancing on the butt. She fuck it up, she the baddest in the club. She fuck it up, got me dancing on the butt. She fuck it up, so I tell them if you got ass to shake that. You got ass to shake that. You got ass to shake that. You got ass to shake that.
ass, she got titties, she got booty, she got titties.
Bring it back.
Sorry,
with dark black shades on. Ice cream jacket and my hat says amazing. I'm a cool cat, but I'm about my money. I'm an urban nigga, hopped out and do the Dougie. Fresh as I wanna be, do what I wanna do. Two bad models fighting over me like what it do. I'ma pick this one or I'ma pick that one. That chick is so bad, so I'ma take action.
I know, I get that pretty much wherever I go. See, baby, I'm a rock star. Everybody love me, my friends call me cocky, but you can call me Dougie, Dougie. Baby, call me Dougie. You can call me Dougie. Baby, call me Dougie. Neck, no wrist.
All right, welcome back. I'm so happy you did this video. Hope you had a good time. We drop videos just like this every Tuesday, so we'll see you next week.